So how do you hide likes on the Facebook? I'm going to be using iPhone for this tutorial, so let's just get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so you essentially want to go to your Facebook account and proceed to the settings, right? So you want to find this. It's kind of changing a lot, to be honest, because the settings get reorganized with the updates of the app and so on. But you just want to find the reaction preferences. So you can kind of look that up if you want to. It would probably be faster. So you can go to the reaction preferences and you can see that there are a few options. It's called hide number of reactions. And you can enable the hiding on other people's posts and reels and on your posts and reels as well. Right, so the option below says that other people will not see the total number of reactions for posts and reels you create from feed or your profile. So if you want to hide the likes on your own posts, meaning that nobody else can see how many likes you have, then enable the option below. But if you don't want to see the likes generally for other people, then you can enable the hiding at the top, the toggle above it. So that's what you can find, and that's just how it currently works. I think it's pretty simply stated in here. To be honest, it's kind of harder to find if there wasn't the search feature. I would have to go through all of these settings and menus, but yeah, it's pretty easy to find using the search. So I believe that you should be able to access it. I hope I was able to explain how it works. In case of any other additional questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end with me, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.